In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up Apple Pay for a minor using Apple Cash Family. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your account name at the very top of the screen. Scroll down and select Family Sharing. Tap Continue, then choose Create Child Account. Enter your child's first and last name, set their date of birth, and follow the on-screen steps by tapping Verify you are an adult. For parental consent, enter the CVV code of your card and confirm. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.